Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Francine Gavilo presenting the ingredients of Yema cake. We'll explain to all of you the ingredients, tools and equipments, as well as how to properly take care of them. Ingredients for sponge cake: 2 large eggs, whites and yolks separated, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, room temperature, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 cup of cake flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The ingredients of Yema frosting: 2 cans, 14 ounces each, sweetened condensed milk, 4 egg yolks, and 4 tablespoons of butter. The ingredients of our toppings or garnish for Yema frosting: 1/2 cup of almond slivers, and 1 cup of grated cheese. Tools and equipments used in baking: ovens. An oven is a tool that is used to expose materials to a hot environment. Ovens contain a hollow chamber and provide a means of heating the chamber in a controlled way. In use since antiquity, they have been used to accomplish a wide variety of tasks requiring controlled heating. Baking pan. Baking pans are used to hold runny batter such as cake batter, take solid masses of food such as savory hot dish recipes. The foods are placed in the pan and then baked in the oven. Baking pans are available in a variety of sizes, materials, surface textures, and colors. Mixing bowl. A mixing bowl is a deep bowl that is particularly well suited for mixing ingredients together. These come in many materials such as stainless steel, ceramic, glass, and plastic. Cooling rack. A cooling rack, also known simply as a wire rack, is used to allow air to circulate freely to cool baked goods, to prevent them getting soggy from condensation. A tight good is typically the best format for a cooling rack to prevent thin baked goods from breaking or falling through. Grater. Grater is a kitchen tool designed to sliver or shred cheese easily. There are a variety of different styles, but most employ a network of sharp holes that the cheese is pushed over. A cheese grater is almost always made from metal, and they are available inexpensively at kitchen supply stores. Measuring cup. A measuring cup is a kitchen utensil used primarily to measure the volume of liquid or bulk solid cooking ingredients such as flour and sugar, especially for volumes from about 50 ml or 2 fluid ounce upwards. Measuring spoon. A measuring spoon is a spoon used to measure the amount of an ingredient, either liquid or dry, when cooking. Measuring spoons may be made out of plastic, metal, and other materials. They are available in many sizes, including teaspoon or tablespoon. Spatula. The original kitchen spatula is also known as a flipper or turner. It's an angled flat piece of metal or a heat-resistant plastic extending from a long handle. It was generally used to easily lift or flip food in a pan. Whisk. A whisk is a cooking utensil which can be used to blend ingredients smooth or to incorporate air into a mixture. In a process known as whisking or whipping, whisk consists of a long, narrow handle with a series of wire loops joined at the end. Mixer. A mixer, depending on the type, also called a hand mixer or stand mixer, is a kitchen device that uses a gear-driven mechanism to rotate a set of beaters in a bowl, containing the food or liquids to be prepared by mixing them. Toothpick. We use a toothpick to insert in the center to comb out clean, indicating that the comb is fully set and no excess moisture remains. Parchment paper. Parchment paper is a heavy-duty grease and moisture-resistant paper that is used in baking and cooking because it provides a heat-resistant, non-stick surface to bake on. Proper care of tools and equipment. One of the best ways to keep your baking tools clean is by making sure that you always rinse the mixing bowls, spoons, measuring cups, etc. with water after every use. This will help in keeping your tool free of the batter and will make it easier to clean later. You can then use a dishwasher to clean your tools. Make sure that you dust off and clean your hand mixer and stand mixer regularly, or else they might stop working. So wipe down your mixer every alternate day and clean the whisk or hook that is used after every use with mud, dish soap, and water. If they are compatible with dishwasher, then use the dishwasher to clean the mixer attachments and accessories. Always make sure that you rinse your baking tools with water and dry it with clean cloth before you use them, because they might have a layer of dust or dirt on them, which could be harmful to your baked items. You need to keep the rolling pins clean too, but you can't use syrup to clean them as it can alter the surface of the pins. So instead, remove the stuck food particles from the rolling pin and then rinse it with water. If you want a rolling pin to last longer, you can rub it with minerals once in a while, and always make sure that it is kept dried. For cleaning your baking stone, you would need to use hot water and water bristles to get rid of the stubborn stains and debris. Staining is quite normal and can be removed with the help of some hot water. That your baking tools are dried with a clean soft towel, store them in a dry area if you don't want mold growing on them due to the wetness. Trust me, keeping the tools dry is essential to keep them clean and free of germs. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Have a nice week ahead.